He said it.
He did say that.
I think Joe's
already lost
it.
Well, you know, when you have a gross of bottle rockets, you got to do something with them.
There's a lighter over there that the flint is gone in.
Oh, look out.
Those
He
are really
just put
fun to
another
put in
one
the
in there.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Butane
That's
lighter?
not near as much
Oh,
fun as
God,
putting in
yeah.
12 at the same time.
no, but you got them pointing down though, Phil.
You're supposed to drop in there point
Oh,
up.
well, excuse me. Okay.
That one did pretty good.
As much sure Greg mentioned,
Those
point upwards.
My hair's on fire.
Oh, there you go.
Ah! Wait a minute.
Now we got
Are those pointed this way?
Oh shit.
We're on fire. We're gonna get shot and killed.
Oh my god.
Oh, I got a good
Get outta
review
here.
of that.
That's why I'm standing over here.
I'm moving for that one.
Oh shit, that fell over. Look out.
Now that was pretty cool.
Well, I sure am glad I didn't put that new tarp on.
Good point.
Well, that's why there's a whole bunch of lighters here.